tiny treasures and toys. Please subscribe.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. We are here at the Fisher-Price house, and who's home? Ding! There we go. Oops. Let's try one more time. Who's through the heart window? I know who it is. It's Cookie Monster. Hello. I'm having chocolate chip cookies. Where's Elmo, Cookie Monster? I think he's in the garage. Let's go visit the garage, tiny fans. It's Elmo. Hi, guys. What are you doing today, Elmo? Well, I need to water the greenhouse. Remember how we watered the greenhouse last time and the cucumber plants were really small? Yeah. Well, come with me. Let's see how big they are now. Let's open the door, push the handle up, and pull. That's right, Elmo. Whoa, the plants have gotten so much bigger. And all of these yellow flowers will turn into cucumbers, but we must pollinate them. Why is that, Elmo? I thought the bees did that job. Well, the bees can't get in the greenhouse, so we need to do it with a cotton swab. Oh, interesting. Let's see how you do it, Elmo. We take this organic cotton swab and put it right in the middle where the pollen is and give it a little swirl and spin. And there's a little bit of yellow pollen on. I don't know if you can see that, tiny fans. And then Elmo goes to the next flower and spins in the center. Uh-oh, we were a little too rough, so one of the flowers fell off. We'll have to be more gentle. Elmo's already in here pollinating a week ago. Let's show them the cucumber that's growing. There is two. And look, they have these little vines that grab on and hold the plant up. That's why we need the poles. They look like a spring or a coil. Well, thanks for showing us the greenhouse today, Elmo. We hope you had fun with us, tiny fans, and thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye! We sure hope you enjoyed our video today. We're here to ask our fans for some help. Did you know only 15% of our fans have subscribed to Tiny Treasures? So you can help us by pushing the subscribe button and subscribe to our channel. It helps us get recognized by YouTube when we gain subscribers. That way we can continue to make fun learning videos every single day. And for those fans who have already subscribed to our channel, a great big thank you.